Well, go on, traders. Yeah, the traders here again. So we have been getting a little bit of fight from the Bears guys. So what's happening is that we are trying to push through that 40 cents level, and as you can see, we have tested the 40 cents level quite a bit of times. So let me zoom in here, and we can take a closer look. So we tested the 40 cents level. I think this was Monday. Came back down to 32 cents support, went back up, retested the 40 cents level, came back down to 36 cents, retested the 40 cents level, and we have come back down now to 38 cents. So what's happening is that we're forming what's called a bull flag, where we're getting higher lows. So if you look at the bottom of this, the lowest level here, and if we draw a line, let me actually draw that line to show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is like a mini bull flag is happening. And if I put the horizontal line here, so this is like a little mini bull flag. Okay, so I'm gonna change this to yellow, so at least we can see that separately from the other trend lines I've drawn. So what needs to happen, guys? We're in this little range here. So what needs to happen? We need to see a pop through this little resistance here, and what we don't want to see is it to break down back to the support. So as I'd mentioned from the beginning of this week, the volume has appears to be a little bit lower for this week, and it will be next week before we're going to be seeing volume coming in to kind of push this back through for the upward movement. So let's take a look and see what's going on with Yahoo Finance. So as you can see, we got a 2% drop yesterday, and then pre-market another 4% drop. The market cap basically remains the same as yesterday, so I guess just a little bit of sell-off, in terms of the price reducing, but we have not lose a lot. We have not lose in terms of the market cap. In terms of volume, the average volume, the volume actually matches the average volume. So this basically you would say it's flat in terms of buyers and sellers. In terms of the comps, Neo seems like it's looking to do something. I made a video a couple of days ago just to say, hey, if Neo can push above the $12 and hold above the $12, then you will start seeing a major run on Neo. But overall, it seems like EV stocks are pushing up a bit. Tesla, big news on Tesla this morning. If you guys didn't catch it, big price cuts, maybe up to around 21% on some of their models. So that will impact their margin, and that may impact their stock in terms of falling again. So let's take a look at what's going on with the option side for Mullen. So in terms of options, we were at 73,000 thereabout yesterday. In terms of call volume, now we're at 53,000. So a little bit of fall off there, guys. So I guess some of the momentum maybe shifted over to like meme stocks. So like Bed Bath and Beyond, saw a little push up yesterday. So I guess some of the interests or some of the regular traders switch over for a little while to jump on board of some of those stocks that are running right now. But you got to be careful with those. At times they go up and they come right back down. So in terms of option in open interest, we're looking at 38,000, which closes today, which is around the same as we saw before. For next week, we are looking at bigger level of 83,000 open interest calls. So next week, I think that's when the activities will start happening again for Mullen, and then the 27th, 24,000. All right, so that's basically it, guys. So look, as I said from early, it would have been a kind of flat week for Mullen. I said that from Monday. So we're looking for next week for things to happen with Mullen. So as usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up if you want me to continue giving you these early morning tips. Okay, take care, guys.